Mr. Hussar.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Good, thank you.
Right on the counter?
Yeah.
Well, the food services program, traditionally what they do is they serve congregate meals at senior centers, at apartment complexes all over Onondaga County. But when the COVID pandemic started, they had a shift, obviously shut down all the community centers and go to a home-based delivery.
What are we going to do without going to the senior center? It's like such a big part of our lives. And I said, what are we going to do without the Peace meals? And I said, I got to find out if Peace is going to be delivering meals, you know. So I got a hold of the senior hotline and asked, and they put me on the list.
The ones that are getting the delivery are the ones that are really at risk, and the ones that we don't want, you know, risking it to go out to the store to get groceries.
Yeah, I mean, me going to the store is taking a chance. I've got all of the underlying conditions.
It's been a fantastic program for having never done it before. Food services, they pulled it all together. You know, the first week they figured out what works, what doesn't work, and now it's like a really well-oiled machine. Hello. Good, how are you?
We'll see you tomorrow, sir.
All right, thank you. Okay, bye-bye.
Oh, the service is great. Gives lunch, supper, and these two are great. The turkey is the best.
Is it? You get to know them. You know, you're seeing them 4 days a week. For some of them, we're the only face they see. You know, we try to take a few extra minutes to talk to them if they're in a particularly chatty mood, because they might not have someone else to, you know, to talk to. Okay. You're 7'10", right?
Yeah, I have lupus. This has been kind of rough. Especially when you live in a building that's got all these people, you'd think that you'd have conversation, but you don't.
With everything that's going on right now, I just think, you know, a smile behind a mask is better than no contact whatsoever. And, you know, I would really feel horrible if I dropped off a meal and I came back the next day and that meal was still sitting there and something happened to that client. So for me, it's for my own personal peace of mind so I can sleep at night. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.